ABA as a science stands for Applied Behavioural Analysis. It's basically a behavioural science. The good thing about that is the fact that it's a science, not a theory. It's not a technique, it's an actual science which has tried and tested results. I believe in it because I've seen it work. I'm amazed when I go to families with autistic children, the significant impact it has in their lives. Life-changing sometimes. Bringing quality of life that people would never have believed they were going to have. And it's a very good science that people can learn. Simple Steps have been put together in conjunction with a wide range of partners, some of the world's most leading experts in ABA, universities from Europe, Ireland, America, specialists who have published papers, people who have won awards in the whole ABA and behavioural psychology areas. We have put together an incredibly unique mix of people with the very best skills and the very best experience in the world to bring to you now a very unique and very exciting online learning tool to help you become a parent therapist. We are only bringing Simple Steps to you now after years of development, testing and proving. We have hundreds or maybe even thousands of people whose lives have been affected through the process that we will be bringing you through. And so we now believe it is now ready. It is not a new thing. It's been developed over many years and there's many people who are prepared to stand up and say, this has made a big difference in my life.